Hello guys, welcome to another English Hangover video. This is the first of our 1-minute series, and today we're going to talk about the word though at the end of a sentence. Alright, so let's talk about 4 things about this word. Structure, meaning, example, and pronunciation. The word though means in spite of. It's basically a linking word that creates contrast. Linking words are usually placed in between 2 sentences. So we have sentence 1, linking word, sentence 2. That would happen with however or but or in spite of. However, the trick with though is that it's at the end of the second sentence. So it would go first sentence, second sentence, though, preceded by a comma. Alright, what would be an example? Oh, I love this unicorn with a rainbow tape. It's too expensive though. Last but not least, let's get into pronunciation. I know there's a lot of letters in this word. However, it's a trap. Think of the word no. It's basically no, but instead of the N, you're gonna make a TH sound, which is a voiced sound. Just put your hand around your throat and say the, and then use the vowel sounds of no, though. The G and the H are silent, so you don't need to pronounce it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions that we could answer in a minute, please let us know. We are on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. See you later.